Hi, my name is Leilany. This is
Leilany.
Today we're going to do another science experiment, but this time we're going to make a mini volcano. So here is our mini volcano.
You guys can make it out of clay or Play-Doh.
So the ingredients that you're going to need and things is your mini volcano, food coloring, vinegar, baking soda, a plate to put your volcano in, and then a spoon to scoop the baking soda. So first things first, we're gonna add the food coloring inside the hole. Okay. Now we're gonna add some baking soda. Okay, here. Want to do that or you want to do it later? Just see the top. Okay. I got it with this really slow. It's barely going inside the hole. Oh wow. You might take a long time. Should I put more? Not because of the little hole. Wait, fill it all the way up?
Want me to do it?
It's fine. I can do this. So make sure you have something apparent around you because this actually pops and it might go everywhere. So be prepared. Prepare yourselves. Okay. Now we're gonna see the magic happen with the vinegar. Not a lot, a little bit. Dump it.
Okay,
A little bit, but not a lot. I'm gonna add more.
Is that why you thought it was gonna happen?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna go to everywhere.
How about if you put more baking soda? What do you think will happen?
Let's try it.
And more.
Into the volcano. Oh, it's not popping as much. Hello?
A little bit more.
Oh, it's not rising how I used to. What if we just add the extra baking soda in here? I think that would work. You can hear that it's sizzling. Look here. Ooh.
Let's see if we put a little bit more
Baking soda?
Let's see what happens if we put two
Ooh, what
drops.
if 2 scoops? You mean? On here?
No, the one. Okay.
Oh look, it actually. Oh wait, there's one more.
Then one over here.
Ooh, now it's sizzling even more. It's sizzling louder now. Okay.
Wait, can I put the Where is it? Voila.
Well, let's see if we mix it. Let's see what happens. Oh look, it's making more bubbles.
And we mix it. Ooh.
Go in. Go in. Okay, this is like taking forever. Come on. There we go. I filled it all the way up.
Okay, time for the pie war again.
Vinegar.
1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't put a bunch though.
Come on.
Put more, put more. Ooh, it's sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle. What happens if we put baking soda all over the volcano? That would be cool.
It's decorated with lava.
You see what happens if we do?
Power it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Let's see. Magic with the red things.
More? But not.
Blood is coming out.
Baking soda, baking soda. I love baking soda. It's fun. Okay. Gotta add vinegar.
Time to add the blood.
We already added blood. Whoa, whoa. Calm down with the food coloring. Okay. No, that worked. Look, there's still more.
I think we need
The volcano's turning red. All because of her
All
food
of the
dye.
lava.
lava.
Pop, pop, pop.
Who knows the lava song?
Which one? The Hawaiian one? The cartoon short clip?
I hope welcome to, and you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth Bye!
Okay, guys, so this is the end of this science experiment video. Stay tuned for more TikToks, cooking channels, and toy reviews, and makeup. And if you guys, at the end of this video, there's gonna be the TikTok dances one and a free makeup tutorial that we did on Leilany. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna be stay tuned for the uploading videos that we're gonna do on TikTok. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Leilany&keilany. Visit my mom's makeup tutorials at Lord Mendoza. And yeah, see you guys later.